Bollywood is the biggest platform where everyone wants to be. पर छोटे पर्दे का जादू भी बी टाउन सेलेब के सर चढ़कर बोलता है. We have some list of Bollywood actresses who were part of TV shows as well.
पर आपका नाम क्या है?
आप नाम चूज कर लें.
प्रेम.
प्रेम, चलो मेरा नाम प्रेम.
और मैं?
प्रेमिका.
When it comes to TV show where Bollywood actresses worked, Simi Garewal's show will be on top. It was a chat show where Simi interviewed Bollywood actors, business and Indian cricketers also.
Hi Rekha. Hello Simi. It's just not a celebration, it's a double celebration to have you here for my 100th episode.
Thank you.
Bollywood's Rangila girl Urmila Matondkar also was a part of TV show. She made an appearance in Bible Ki Kahaniyan on Doordarshan. In 2008, Urmila debuted on television as a host of a reality show named Var Parivar. In 2011, she again appeared in a reality show as a judge named Chak Dhum Dhum. और जज की कुर्सी से उनका प्यार इतना बढ़ गया कि she again holds a chair of a judge in a Marathi dance reality show, Dance Maharashtra Dance. When it comes to reality shows, शिल्पा शेट्टी का रिश्ता तो टीवी शो से बहुत पुराना है. After taking part and winning the Big Brother 5 reality TV series in 2007, Shilpa Shetty also hosted Bigg Boss 2, the Indian version of Big Brother. Shilpa was one of the 3 judges for popular Indian dance TV show Nach Baliye 5 and even continued the next season Nach Baliye 6.
Cool.
Well, after Simi Garewal, Preity Zinta also made a TV debut in 2011 as a host of the show Guinness World Record Ab India Todega. I think hosting is one thing which Bollywood actresses are enjoying and love to do. Preity started hosting the celebrity-based chat show, also that called Up Close and Personal with PZ, which shot at her own penthouse in Mumbai.
हम एक दूसरे को कितने सालों से
तो एक काम करो, थिंकिंग छोड़ दो तुम.
थिंकिंग छोड़ दूं?
छोड़ दो. जो मन में आए फट से बोलो, क्या है?
मुझसे शादी करोगे?
Bollywood's Dhak Dhak girl Madhuri Dixit also turned down for a TV. She always thinks that Chota Parda is the first step to attach with the audience. In the year 1985, she appeared in the Rajshri Productions TV show Paying Guest. Although she only came in the first episode of the show, but छोटे पर्दे पर माधुरी का आना जाना हमेशा बना रहा. In 2002, Madhuri hosted a TV show कहीं ना कहीं कोई है, which was a matchmaking show. After making a comeback in B-Town, Madhuri also appeared on a TV as a judge of a dance reality show Jhalak Dikhla Ja 4. She continued her judging in next 3 seasons Jhalak Dikhla Ja 5, 6 and 7. Priyanka Chopra, the winner of Miss World pageant of 2000. She also the one who appeared in TV show. She hosted the 3rd season of the reality show Fear Factor खतरों के खिलाड़ी, जिसके पिछले 2 सीजन अक्षय कुमार होस्ट कर रहे थे. Well, comparison between Priyanka and Akshay were always in the news.
मुझे तो मिल गए खिलाड़ी 13 जिनके बजेंगे 12 क्योंकि इस बार खतरा होगा डेंजर लेवल से 3 गुना ऊपर.
टीवी शो का इम्पैक्ट वाकई बहुत बड़ा है. शिल्पा शिरोडकर, who was a part of Bollywood industry from 1989, film Bhrashtachaar. She was also a part of many Bollywood films like Kishan Kanhaiya, Khuda Gawah, Gopi Kishan and many more. But after taking a long 13 years of break from the industry, she came back with the TV daily soap Ek Mutti Aasmaan.
राघव बाबा, मैं कमला बाई. आपको भूख लगी तो मुझे बोल देना.
Raveena Tandon, who is the part of Chit Chat show called Simply Baatein, but before hosting this show, she was also a part of dance reality show Chak De Bacche as a judge, and a comedy का महा मुकाबला was also hosted by Raveena only.
क्या नाम है तुम्हारा बेबी?
गीतांजलि.
गीतांजलि. गीता, अच्छा यही है जिनके नीचे आपको आना है.
Well, our next name of the list is Sonali Bendre, who recently came back with the full-fledged daily soap Ajeeb Daastaan Hai Ye. And she also hosted a dance show on a television named Kya Masti Kya Dhoom. In fact, she was a judge for Mr. and Mrs. Television Indian Idol 4 and India's Got Talent as well. In 2012, she also appeared as a judge on reality dance series हिंदुस्तान के हुनरबाज. Well, it seems सोनाली को टेलीविजन के छोटे पर्दे से भी उतना ही प्यार है जितना सिल्वर स्क्रीन से.
That's like a nice frame.
Well, the big news is Bollywood's evergreen and glamorous heroine Rekha also planning to join TV. Oh yes, you heard it right. Recently, Rekha shared her idea of her dream project for being a part of TV industry. Rekha said that she always want to be a part of the TV industry और वो पिछले 10 सालों से इस बारे में सोच रही हैं. But yes, now soon she will announce her show and that TV show would be a reflection of Rekha's own personality.
इन आँखों की मस्ती के मस्ताने हजारों हैं, मस्ताने हजारों हैं.
Well, it sounds great. Well, B-Town की इन एक्ट्रेसेस ने तो टीवी शो पर आकर 4 चांद लगा दिए. अब देखना ये है कि how Rekha will do it. But we must say we all are eagerly waiting for that day.
इन आँखों से वाबस्ता
Entertainment Desk, Bollywood Nazar, Mumbai.